The Washington State Department of Natural Resources Federal Lands Program and the U.S. Forest Service recently completed a significant restoration project in the Olympic National Forest, installing a steel bridge over a tributary of the North Fork Calawah River. Seasonal rains transformed this channel into a crucial pathway for Chinook salmon, coho salmon, and steelhead trout. Prior to this installation, fish struggled to travel past the location of the new bridge. The 70-inch undersized culvert created excessive flow rates and eroded the channel, forming an 8-foot drop that blocked fish migration.
We had active resource damage being caused by the culvert that was in place. It was basically functioning like a hydro cannon. It was mining the soil down below the culvert, causing erosion, which was delivering to the North Fork Calawah.
To address this, crew removed the culvert and installed the new bridge, restoring the waterway and enabling natural fish travel. This effort revitalizes aquatic habitats and supports the health of salmon and trout populations, both key species for maintaining the region's ecological balance. DNR federal land staff played key roles in the planning and execution of this project. Specialists produced site maps, managed geotechnical assessments, and collaborated with East Slope Earthworks during the development process.
By putting in this bridge, we eliminated that resource damage, as well as now we've provided fish with access to about 1 mile of additional habitat that's upstream.
With the completion of this project, the bridge represents more than infrastructure. It is a pathway to restore natural migration patterns, revitalize aquatic habitats, and maintain the ecological balance of the Olympic National Forest.